everyday office makeup look under 10 minutes. You can easily recreate this and you only need 7 products. Starting with Kosas Revealer Concealer.
It is creamy, hydrating, and it has a medium coverage.
This is brown skin friendly and Kosas just extended the color range. I picked up 6.3N from Mecca. If I was having a really good skin day, I would just extend this concealer all over my face. But today I'm going to go in with NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This foundation has amazing coverage. I'm using this to conceal my blemishes and some of those dark spots. This is also brown skin friendly. There are about 36 shades available. The key to a polished makeup look is to choose a blush or eyeshadow that complement your natural skin tone.
I'm using NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in shade Orgasm Rush, which is a rosy bronze.
If you are always rushed in the morning,
switch to eyeshadow sticks. They blend easily, create a natural and polished look in seconds, perfect for busy mornings.
That took me less than 30 seconds, and these Laura Mercier Caviar sticks are so creamy.
Don't forget the brows. Brushed brows can easily elevate the look.
For work, I like using mascaras
that lengthen and define my lashes but still looks natural. This Ilia mascara has a built-in comb to achieve that look.
Lips is where I like to play. This is where the color comes in. I have 2 options here from NARS. No Inhibitions, turned on. Today, I want to add a little bit of color, so I'm going to go with No Inhibitions. This is the finished makeup look. It's looking polished, it's looking professional, and it's giving corporate.